Hello, it's Konstantinos. I had a request to make a simple video of the basic operations of the torpedo. I have one of my two torpedo units here. Usually I have two torpedo units and I record two amplifiers simultaneously. I'm gonna use an Elmwood Stinger rack. It's a amplifier, full amplifier in a rack format, and I'm gonna use the Lindert Telecaster. Okay. First, let's see how you connect this to the amp. Okay, I have the speaker cable here. Always use a speaker cable, not an instrument cable, because an instrument cable cannot handle the power. Okay, on the amplifier, you go to the 8 ohm output, plug in the speaker cable, and then you go to the 8 ohm speaker input. It's here. And you plug it there. And that's basically it. And if you want to connect a cab, so you can have a sound on the cabinet simultaneously, you connect it here. Be careful of the ohms of the speaker cabinet. Then we have a sync input for word clock, MIDI, USB for the software that you can change speaker positions and microphones and everything and presets through the USB. Then we have the digital input outputs. I get the best quality when recording through the SPDIF output directly into my sound card. And then we have the analog outputs. Pre-simulation, post-simulation, of course. I'm gonna use the analog outputs for this demo because I'm not gonna turn on the sound card. I'm gonna use it as a mixer. Okay, I have both connected to the mains right now. I'm going through a Samsung Power Bright. It's power conditioner. Okay, we're gonna turn the torpedo on. Always turn the torpedo on because it is a power load, and if you turn the amplifier on first, it will be like you haven't connected a speaker to the speaker output and it might damage the amplifier. So remember, always turn the torpedo on first and then the amplifier. And when you're finished, always turn the amplifier off and then the torpedo. Okay, it's on now. I'm gonna turn the amplifier on, and I'm gonna wait for a couple of minutes for it to hit, for the valves to hit properly. Okay, I'm using a lava cable, very good cables. Plug in the guitar there and just wait. Okay, first thing, here we're in the menu. You can navigate using this controller, Navi controller. Remember, here on the dry wet setting, we press OK. For proper sound, you are 100% wet, because if you are dry, then there is no simulation of speakers and microphones, so the sound is like going straight through the mixer, like you have plugged distortion pedals straight to the mixer, so it's not good, except you play industrial music or something. So remember, always 100% wet. Okay, we're ready to go now. I'm gonna use the dirty channel, gain on 5, volume 5, so it's a 30 watts class A amplifier. So from standby we go to on. Then what we have to do is adjust the input volume. Actually it adjusts itself. What you have to do is just take the guitar and strum it really hard, so you see the lights going on there. Usually get the best results. You see I auto gain reduction here, so it adjusts itself. What I like to do is go a couple dBs down, just a couple clicks down. It gets better results like that. Same happens with the output volume. You can max it out and it will adjust itself, but I will usually like to adjust it much lower than 0 dB. I like to go up to -3 dB, around there. Get better results there from the analog output. Okay, so we are on where the gain has been adjusted, the input gain, and the output gain has been adjusted. So if you turn the volume on the sound card, then we have sound. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm here in middle, bass, not treble. Okay, I'll just put this on 5 as well. Now, if you want to check speakers, you go here, speakers. To go into the menu, you press OK, and then with the Navi you can change the speaker. I'm gonna go for the British Vintage C 4x12, so I press OK. Then in using the Navi key we go to mic. Okay, I'm gonna use you have many options here. I'm gonna use the Shure SM57. Okay. There's also user impulse responses that you can make on your studio for yourself with your own amps and mics and cabinets, and you get your own sound. Okay, escape, and then miking here. You can change the position, the distance. You can center it. You can change the phase. You can overload the speaker. You can do many things. And post effects, I have the low cut on at 50 Hz, so I'm getting no frequency under 50 Hz. I also have the exciter on at 20% gain at 4 kHz frequency. A bit of compression, just a tiny bit, and minimum spatial for stereo. I'm not using stereo right now, so anyway. Okay, let's see how it sounds.